Yeah, to my samurais and my samurettes, it's a sure bet that your health is your wealth. Hi, I'm Dr. Isaac Alexis from the Slim Samurai Media Group 84, helping you to slash through sickness and offering you a slice of health and wellness. Greetings, my Slim Samurais and Samurettes. Before I continue, don't forget to smash on the subscribe, click the notification bell, like, comment, send to 25 of your friends. Let's begin. Today's topic is the PEVEOMADIC Telomere diet, wild salmon, Jamaican masala with zucchini, red bell peppers, and onions. We're going to look at this for a moment here. Now, as you can see, I have zucchini here. I have my red peppers. I have some chia seeds. If you look closer, there's some chia seeds here, and zucchini and salmon. Now, also, I have here my red, I have some orange, some yellow bell peppers. I also have additional bell peppers I'm going to add. And I have some onions, as you can see right here. I'm going to add the onions right now as we speak. And I discussed already the benefits of onions. I like to add a lot of onions. For the health benefits of onions, I want you to look at yesterday's videos. Next, I'm going to add some orange and yellow bell peppers. Next, I'm going to add some red and yellow bell peppers. I'm going to delicately ease that out. And also, I'm going to add some garam masala. I'm going to add some other natural seasonings and spices. Look at all that goodness. As you can see here, the salmon having about 8 to 10 grams protein, building lean body mass. Great for individuals that have sarcopenic obesity, which can dramatically cut your telomeres and shorten your lifespan. For sarcopenic obesity, I want you to look at my prior video. Now let's look at some of the health benefits of zucchini. Now, with zucchini, it's loaded with protein, fiber, vitamin A. Protein is 1 gram. Fiber is 1 gram. Vitamin A, it provides 40% of the recommended daily intake. Manganese, 16% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin C, 14% of the recommended daily intake, which helps me to absorb iron, preventing anemia. If you're anemic, most times you're not taking in enough vitamin C. I discussed the red, yellow, orange bell peppers and the amount of vitamin C in each one. Zucchinis are loaded in folate, 8% of the recommended daily intake. Copper, 8% of the recommended daily intake. If you're not having copper, you can't make red blood cells, and again, anemia ensues. Vitamin B6. Now, it contains vitamin B6, which is known as pyridoxine. Now, you may be asking, why would I care about vitamin B6? Well, vitamin B6 is very critical. Young ladies of all ages, in PMS, it decreases the depressive symptoms of PMS. Also, it reduces anemia. It reduces risk of Alzheimer's. It reduces the overall risk of depression, as vitamin B6, believe it or not, is used to create and synthesize serotonin and dopamine, which fights depression. Now, zucchini also contains vitamin B1. You must know, this is also called thiamine. Now, that thiamine is critical for the brain and heart functioning. And also, thiamine is required by the body to transform food into energy via ATP. Also, zucchini contains the carotenoids, beta-carotene. It also has lutein and zeaxanthines, which you need to see well. Also, luteins and zeaxanthines also increase bone density, bone mass. Even if you don't have osteoporosis, you must include zucchini in your diet on a daily basis. Also, zucchini, as you can see here that I have made for my salmon fish, the zucchini also has insoluble fibers that reduces risk of constipation. It also has soluble fibers that help the good bacteria in the gut, the microbiome, to produce SCFAs, which stands for short chain fatty acids. Why is SCFAs important, you're asking? My samurais and samurettes? Great question. It's because that will reduce generalized inflammation in your gut for patients that have Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, leaky gut syndrome. This is your go-to vegetable to have as well. And also, another important thing about zucchini, at 3 grams per cooked cup, zucchini is a great alternative for pastas when you want to reduce carbohydrate intake. Very important. And the fibers in zucchini reduces glucose spikes. It optimizes insulin sensitivity. And also pectin, which is a soluble fiber in zucchini, decreases your bad cholesterol, known as your LDL cholesterol. And also it decreases your total cholesterol as well. And PEVEOMAD diet, the PEVEOMAD Telomeric diet, PE stands for Pescatarian, VE vegetarian, 1 meal a day, PEVEOMADIC telomere diet. It's critical to include the zucchinis and the different red, yellow, green, orange, bell peppers. I've included some masalas, garam masalas, also some chopped masalas as well to this delicious medley. And it'll go well with other low carbohydrate choices like some asparagus as well. And so if you're looking for a fat burner and you're looking for the good carbs, because you don't have to completely eliminate carbs, one good carb is zucchini. You know, in addition to your whole grain breads, zucchini is a beneficial vegetable for the good carbs and loaded with fiber to help you actively fat burn as well. Overall, zucchini only has 17 calories, and 1 6-ounce salmon has approximately another 100 to 150 calories. So you're definitely not going to break the scales in terms of carb intake. You can have a filling, delicious meal. Later on in the evenings, if you wanted to do steel oats with blueberries for cardiac health, blueberries lowers the bad cholesterol. It also, loaded with vitamin C, helps uptake iron in the gut, reducing iron deficiency anemia. Hoping that this was of use to you, my samurai samurettes. Now, don't forget to smash the subscribe, the like, comment, send the 25 of your friends. I want you to enjoy this goodness today. As you can see, it is very appetizing. And so I want you to enjoy this. I'm available for private consultations in the foods that you must consume on a daily basis in order to live way past 100. I'm Dr. Isaac Alexis from the Slim Samurai Media Group 84, helping you to slash through sickness and offering you a slice of health and wellness. God bless.